Hello, direct mail marketing family, and welcome back. I am excited to tell you that I have teamed up with my mentor and good friend, Michael Jensen, in the Mail for Pay Stamp Club. Right here. If you need stamps for free, a book of stamps for any reason at all, your business, or just to have stamps, whatever you need, I highly recommend you get involved in the Mail for Pay Stamp Club right here, just like I have. All you have to do is send 3 books of stamps to the names right here, and you'll receive a flyer just like this one with your name on it. And then you too can start receiving books of stamps. Now here's the good thing. If you're one of those people that don't feel like mailing out flyers, you don't have to, because my friend and my good mentor, Michael Jensen, will mail them out for you. That's right. You sign up for this stamp flyer. When you receive it with your name on it, you can send that copy to Michael, and he'll mail out 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 flyers just for you. So you don't have to do anything. Think about it. You don't have to do anything. You just sit back and start receiving free books of stamps. I mean, who can argue with that, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post the link below this video. You can download your flyer. Go ahead and sign up. Once you get your copy with your name on it, call Michael. I'm going to put his phone number in the description box. Call him 24/7. It doesn't matter. Michael will tell you. He doesn't care what time it is. Call him, and he will mail out flyers for you. You don't have to do anything. Just sign up. And there's no money exchanging hands here, folks. Nothing. It's just stamps. You don't have to send any money to anybody on this list. All you're doing is sending a book of stamps to each person. That's it. And then you're in. I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? So go ahead and click on the link below. Download your copy of this flyer. Send it in. Mail it in. Get yours. If you don't want to mail out anything, you don't have to. Contact Michael Jensen, my mentor, my good friend. He will hook you up. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you get involved soon. Hurry up. Come on. Jump on board. Let's go. Thanks for watching this video. Click on the links below the video. Call Michael. Get involved in the free stamp club. What do you got to lose? Free stamps? Who doesn't need free stamps? Love to have you on our team. Take care. God bless. Stay safe out there, family. I love you. Bye-bye.